Zanu PF not worried about rumors of Chamisa's new political party, Dr. Mavaza. The 23rd of August 2025, by Dr. Masimba Mavaza. The ruling Zanu PF says Nelson Chamisa's latest political project, emerging from his fallout with the Citizens Coalition for Change, CCC, poses no real threat to its dominance. Party officials argue that a mere change of name does not transform the essence of an opposition movement. However, political analysts caution that Chamisa's leadership style, criticized for lacking transparency and internal democracy, continues to shadow his new party even before its official launch. Chamisa, once hailed as a charismatic force in opposition politics, lost grip of CCC after Sengizo TSHABANGU outmaneuvered him. His promise to unveil a new party, reportedly retaining the yellow color, comes amid accusations that he sidelined veteran members, imposed candidates, and failed to conduct transparent internal elections. Observers say this demigod leadership approach eroded CCC's credibility, leading to infighting, recalls, and disillusionment among supporters. Critics now warn that the same pitfalls may follow Chamisa into his new formation. Key challenges facing Chamisa's new party. Leadership weaknesses could drive an early collapse. Divisions from CCC have already spilled into the new project. Persistent criticism over lack of transparency and democracy. Eroded credibility due to internal recalls and conflicts. Accusations of cronyism and questionable practices. Despite the turbulence, Chamisa insists he remains a popular alternative. His immediate dilemma lies in choosing a vice president, with advocate Thabani Mpafu, said to enjoy the quiet backing of elements in the judiciary, tipped as a possible contender. Analysts argue that, while Chamisa is betting on his enduring popularity, Zanu PF's entrenched structures and constitutional continuity continue to present formidable obstacles. For now, Chamisa's new party risks being dismissed as little more than a loud-sounding nothing.